तो आप चाहो तो लिख सकते हो इलेक्ट्रॉन इन एन एटम इज मोनोसेंट्रिक। मोनोसेंट्रिक का मतलब का उसके ऊपर एक ही न्यूक्लियस का इन्फ्लुएंस है, लेकिन पॉलीसेंट्रिक का मतलब कि जब वो मॉलिक्यूल का पार्ट है तब इट इज प्रेजेंट अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ more than one kind of nucleus.
It is not made up of any carbohydrate, it is made up of like glycocalyx or peptidoglycans. So some type of some special substances like peptidoglycans. ये हमने डील किया था जब हमने डोमेन्स पढ़ेंगे. Peptidoglycans.
Oh, hello. So, I was just writing about my experience about online classes, and I just remembered that tomorrow is Teachers' Day. So I thought, why not wish our teachers and then discuss few points which are affecting me in this corona situation and this online situation. So, first of all, a very, very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers who have taught us and who are behind our Chotu C success, that we are able to pass out 10th and now we are studying in 11th class. So, to continue with this video, I just want to say, first of all, there's a drastic situation going around us. There's a pandemic on this earth, and many of people are dying every day, and still we are taking the things for granted. Do we even know the hard work teachers are putting behind the camera? No, right? Do you people know how the teachers are managing their phone just to make sure that the whole thing is visible to us? No, we don't. That's the thing which we are taking for granted. Let's take an example of Anuj sir. Okay, he is holding his phone from one hand and then he is writing on a page with another hand. Do you even notice how difficult is that? No, right? Teachers are putting so much efforts just to make sure we have a bright future, we don't lag in our syllabus, and what are they getting in return of it? Disrespect. You heard it right. Disrespect. Right from the lockdown, I can see some strange outsiders which are coming and then they are insulting our teachers in front of the whole class as it is nothing. We don't have to bother about it. Why don't we have to bother about it? Doesn't it affect the life of the teacher? Doesn't it takes a toll to their mind? Yes, it does. It does. And just to tell you that if you're doing this for entertainment or to get fame or to act like you are cool, I must tell you, you are not cool at all. You are dumb. And you know why? Because suppose someone is abusing your mother or your father in the same way you are abusing our teachers. How will you feel? How will you feel that your mother or father is being abused in front of the whole class? Won't it be insulting? It will be. And if you expect your mother or father to just forget about it, they can't do it. Even our teachers cannot do it. It's very difficult. Right from the morning till the night, they are doing household chores as well because there is not house help, and they are teaching us as well. And virtually, and that too virtually, which we haven't done earlier and which our teachers haven't done earlier. So how can we expect our teachers to forget this type of behavior of ours after so much of stress which is already there due to the workload? You know why I know this? Because my mother is a teacher, my sister is a teacher, and when I asked my sister that Didi, is it going all well, what she said is that there's just one problem, and that's a huge problem. That is that children are not switching on their video mode or their microphone, and due to that teachers cannot figure out whether we are able to understand that particular concept or not, because they are not present in front of us. They are not seeing our facial expressions, that whether we have understood it or not. And then we think, oh my god, why is ma'am so strict, why is sir so strict? Like, seriously, I just want to say that our teachers are heroes. They are the real heroes. They made the doctors doctors. Doctors won't have completed their degree or their studies without the help of teacher. Everyone needs a guru, everyone needs a teacher. But we are taking it for granted. And actually, I'm no one to tell you this, but I just felt the need to mention these things because they have been neglected since a lot of time. And I know that our teachers are upset due to this. Just for those people, you have, for those strangers who are abusing our teachers, you have a blindfold on your eyes. And the same goes with the people who are just gossiping about it as if nothing has happened and this is just normal. It's not normal. And please remove that blindfold of your eyes and then see that we are in very bad situation. Every other day someone is dying. A lot of celebrities have died, and there is a pandemic. There are earthquakes and floods and storms everywhere and what not. And in this situation, if we want to entertain ourselves through online meetings, then shame on you. We have Hotstar, we have YouTube. Please go and entertain yourself with watching those videos. In spite of disturbing us and our studies, go there, okay? We don't want you. And I know that the parents also, their parents also never thought and never expected this from you. So at least not for us, just for our parents and our teachers, please don't repeat this. Please don't abuse our teachers. They are wonderful. They are already going through a lot and they are doing a lot of hard work. Please give them respect at least. So at last I just want to say that I am really overwhelmed at this point of a time because I cannot see my teachers in this situation, and I just want to say that please respect our teachers and be a good human being. And I'm not just blabbering, I literally mean it, and I'm not throwing fatwa gyan on your face. It's the truth, and if the truth is bad, it doesn't mean that it's not the truth. So yes, that was it. A very happy Teachers Day once again to all my wonderful teachers, and yeah, bye.
Happiest Teachers Day to all the teachers who always inspires me and appreciates me in doing my good work. I would like to thank all the teachers, either they teach me or not, because some way or the other we get to learn something new from everyone. The teacher I would like to talk about is Meenu ma'am. Meenu ma'am is a person filled with positive vibes, and the way she teaches children is really appreciable. I am very regular in her class, but she still helped me a lot with my work. Next teacher is Sheetal ma'am. Sheetal ma'am is the sweetest person I've ever met. Like, she is another mother to me. She handled all my tantrums and always there for me when I need my support system. All the teachers are really putting hard efforts in making the children learn through these virtual classes, which is highly appreciable. And at last, I want to thank all of them for always being there with us in our good and bad times. Thank you so much.
Very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. All of them hold a very special place in my life, especially Sheetal ma'am. She was always there for me and is very loving and very kind. Poona ma'am as well is very cooperative teacher and has an amazing style of teaching. Meenu ma'am, apart from being an excellent teacher, is an excellent life mentor as well and always motivates us to build up a passion for learning. Manju ma'am, Susan ma'am, Thomas sir, Vishal sir, Dennis sir, Rahul sir, Kavita ma'am, Arthia ma'am. All of them are excellent teachers and have a great zeal in teaching their subjects and keep the students engaged till the end. I was blessed to have all these teachers in my life. Thank you, teachers, and a very happy Teachers' Day once again.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. A teacher is the one who teaches us many life lessons and helps us to reach the path of success in our life. Like my teacher, Miss Meenu. She was my teacher when I was in class 2nd. She motivated us, helped us, and convinced us that we can do anything if we have a great mindset. And my teacher, Mrs. Sheetal. She was my geography teacher in class 9th and 10th. She taught us many life lessons and she was a really helpful teacher and was very sweet and kind by nature.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all of my teachers who are making constant effort to give us a better teaching experience through online class. Our chemistry teacher, Meenu ma'am, clears up all our concepts and helps us to improve by regular class tests and assignments. Our bio teacher, Manju ma'am, always helps us to stay motivated and positive. She always gives us a wise advice and shares us important tips to learn everything.
Greetings to our honorable and hardworking teachers. All of our teachers are very polite, humble and sweet. They try their level best to make us understand the concept. Their efforts and hardships are really admirable. Anuj sir, our physics teacher, is a very knowledgeable person and a great scholar. Manju ma'am, our biology teacher and very respected class teacher, is very understanding and cooperative. She is very thought-provoking. Dinesh sir, our English teacher, is very supportive, enthusiastic and a passionate teacher. Thank you to all teachers who stand with us in our present to make our future bright. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers out there. I am full of admiration and appreciation for all the teachers that they are doing such a great job in these virtual classes. Like, they are coming with all this positivity in their mind and delivering that positivity into us. And we feel like more comfortable when these teachers try to be more interactive with us. So I am really grateful for all this. Talking about Meenu ma'am, she is our chemistry teacher and she has also taught us in the 10th grade. We feel like she has this beautiful ability of reaching out to the children. She's damn sincere and disciplined when she teaches us, like she's really good in her subject. But this personal aspect of her is a very beautiful ability when she appreciates the children for their good work. She's concerned about them, and this, I feel like, helps us make a better bond with the teacher. And when we share a good connection with the teacher, like, we feel like studying more. So I am like full of appreciation for this thing also about Meenu ma'am. Talking about Sheetal ma'am, she had taught us geography for many years and she is like a homely feeling. We feel like we can say anything and everything to her and she understands us. Even though I have got multiple scoldings from her, but like I never felt bad about it because she is such a great teacher. Now I would like to talk about Riddhima ma'am. She has never taught us, but I had interacted with her for a lot of school projects and activities. And she is beautiful inside and out. She makes the entire environment light around her. She is really jolly. Yeah, she is.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all our dedicated teachers. All the teachers are very helpful and kind to us. Our chemistry teacher, Meenu ma'am, is a great teacher. He not only teaches us concepts of chemistry, but also teaches us life lessons. At a time when I lose confidence in myself, then she motivated me and helped me a lot. Our English teacher, Dennis sir, is a very creative teacher. He wants his students to become creative even in studying. He teaches us English in a very enthusiastic way. Our new maths teacher, Vishal sir, is a very interactive and a humble teacher. He points out a student and asks the answer of the question, and when the student fails to answer, then he tells the answer in a very humble manner to the student and made the concept clear to us. Thank you. And once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all our lovely teachers.
Hello everyone, today I Hasib Sen is here to express my gratitude to all my lovely teachers on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. I would like to express my gratitude by thanking all my teachers for their wonderful guidance in my journey. I would like to give special thanks to Meenu ma'am and Manju ma'am. They are one of the best teachers in our school. They are the best guiders and motivators. They are having a good sense of humor. They are like the powerhouse of the positive energy. They are filled with so much positive energy that everyone may get influenced by them. I would also like to thank some of my other teachers too, Jeetu sir, Dennis sir and Anush sir for their wonderful guidance and tireless efforts towards us in our studies. Thank you all my teachers for their wonderful guidance. Thank you all.
Happy Teachers' Day